Jampui Hills, situated in North Tripura, is the highest hill range of the state, and honestly, this place doesn't try to impress you. It slowly connects with you. यहाँ nature loud नहीं होता. It stays calm, green and quite powerful. With its cool climate, rolling hills and clouds that move like slow waves, Jampui Hills is often called the land of eternal spring. And once you come here, you actually feel why. These hills are not just about viewpoints. They are about villages, orange and betel nut plantations, simple hill life and roads that cut through forests and clouds. In this journey, we won't just travel. We will move through valleys, cross mountain roads and slowly climb into the heart of Jampui Hills. So let's take a breath, leave the noise behind and start this trip towards one of Tripura's most peaceful landscapes. Our journey towards Jampui Hills began from Agartala, moving slowly away from the city and into the quieter parts of Tripura. From Badharghat railway station, we took a train to Pecharkal, where the surroundings already felt calmer and more open. From Pecharkal, we boarded an electric auto locally known as High Speed and started our journey towards Kanchanpur. And somewhere in between, while still traveling through the plains, we saw Jampui Hills for the first time. दूर से देखने पर ये हिल्स बिल्कुल डिफरेंट लगता है, quite massive and completely untouched. From this distance, Jampui Hills doesn't look dramatic. It looks patient, जैसे quietly wait कर रहा हो. For those who are willing to come closer, that one moment was enough to tell us this journey was going to be special. For travelers coming from the opposite direction, especially from other states, Dharmanagar railway station is another convenient option, from where Kanchanpur is easily reachable. Kanchanpur itself is an important place. It acts as a gateway to Jampui Hills and also marks the entry point to the main highway connecting Tripura with Mizoram. By the time we reached Kanchanpur, it was already night and the hills ahead were hidden in darkness, waiting for the next day to reveal themselves. कांचनपुर से निकलने के बाद the real mountain journey actually started. रोड स्मूथ थे, व्यूज वाइड थे और हर टर्न के साथ लैंडस्केप थोड़ा और ड्रामेटिक होता जा रहा था. बीच में एक छोटा सा वाटरफॉल भी आता है, जो अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन के कारण रॉक से टेम्पोरली ब्लॉक किया गया है. ज्यादा शॉट्स नहीं मिले, बट स्टिल द साउंड एंड द फील वाज अमेजिंग. This entire road is actually the main highway connecting Tripura to Mizoram. बस बीच में ये हाईवे जम्पू हिल्स को क्रॉस करता है, इसलिए रोड क्वालिटी भी हाईवे जैसी स्मूथ है, with endless snake-like turns that make the drive super enjoyable. On the way, we also passed near the paragliding spot. Due to time constraint, we could not stop and had to continue the journey. A little ahead, we reached Vanghmun Eco Park, located near the Eden Tourist Lodge in Vanghmun. Even with just a few clips and photos, the views here are absolutely beautiful. Distant forest-covered mountains, clouds floating in between, and darker mountain ranges far in the background. Eden Tourist Lodge is the main place to stay in Jampui Hills, and I will explain the booking and stay experience later in this video. Just after crossing Eden Lodge, You can find the Jampui Hills post office and the RT block headquarters complex nearby. There is also a small waterfall where which you can easily visit. From this RT complex area, the road splits. One goes to Mizoram and the other towards places like Betlingsib. Since Betlingsib was our main target, we continued deeper into Jampui. This is where we officially entered Vanghmun village, known as one of the cleanest villages in Tripura. High up in the hills, fresh air, quiet roads and extremely well-maintained surroundings give this place a very beautiful and peaceful vibe. Most of the people here follow Christianity, and the village reflects a simple, disciplined hill lifestyle. There is even a helipad here, popularly known as the Vanghmun helipad viewpoint. So if you are coming by helicopter, then this is where you will land. From Vanghmun, we move towards Behliangchhip, and after crossing a beautiful valley, you will find the Jampui market nearby. On the map, the entire highway is still called Kanchanpur Road. After driving for almost half an hour, we reached Suso Point, one of the most peaceful viewpoints in Jampui. Here, long, silent mountain ranges stretch in front of you, with clouds resting softly on their edges. Close to this is also the Jampui Hills sunset point, but most people enjoy sunset near Eden Lodge itself, since this spot is a little far from the main stay area. Our final destination, Betlingsib mountain, is almost double the distance between Kanchanpur and Eden Lodge. Many tourists skip, but in reality, it is the most important place in Jampui, the highest mountain peak not only of Jampui Hills but of the entire state of Tripura. After another long and patient drive, we finally reached the Sabual region. This felt like a victory moment. Paradise Peak, Sabual, and honestly, the name fits perfect. As you go higher, the air became cooler, the views became wider, and the clouds start flowing before the mountains. Just after Sabual, you will find a valley with a few small freshwater lakes. This is one of the most vibrant places in Jampui Hills because lakes at this altitude is extremely rare. Crossing Sabual viewpoint, the views of distant mountains feel endless, a place where you could easily spend hours just watching the landscape. Finally, after what felt like a very long wait, we reached Phuldungsei. This region has several viewpoints, including the Zodal viewpoint, and from where the road splits again, one side goes deeper into Mizoram and the other comes back towards Tripura through Jampui. From this same junction, a small road leads to Betlingsib mountain, although this point appears inside Mizoram on maps. Betlingsib is officially considered part of Tripura. After a short but exciting drive, we finally reached the top crest of Tripura, Betlingsib mountain. The main viewpoint structure was damaged in a storm, and reconstruction here is difficult due to extreme height, but we hope it will be restored soon.
Guys, here you can see I am at the topmost point of Jampui Hills, that is Behliangchhip, and it is the topmost hills of the Jampui.
Even with limited open views because of trees, standing here feels special. You are literally on the highest point of the entire state.
Guys, there's an awesome scene to show you. You can see there are too many cars. Actually, people are camping here. They are cooking their own food here. It's really awesome and it's really funful to enjoy.
People even camp here sometimes, not because this is more beautiful than other spots, but because being at the top of Tripura is a feeling that can't be replaced. After Betlingsib, on our return, we took a small detour near the Betlingsib gate, and right there we had a little tea break in the middle of the hills. Cold breeze, warm tea, and that mountain silence. Honestly, perfect combo. From there, we went back towards Phuldungsei, where you will find the Sabual bridge and those peaceful lakes and ponds I mentioned earlier. The bridge itself may not be something extraordinary, but the vibe around it, slower water, green land, open sky, it gives you a calm pause after a long journey. While everyone was resting and eating, I decided to walk around alone for a bit. That's when I visited the Sabual Baptist Church. Quite simple and spiritually smoothing, places like this make Jampui feel not just scenic but soulful.
See the size of the banana, guys. It's awesome. It's quite nice.
After another long drive, we reached Vanghmun Baptist Church, and honestly, this was pure luck. We arrived exactly during the evening prayer. I added a small clip of it here because the prayer was in English and the atmosphere was just pure and peaceful. Being a Hindu sitting inside a Christian prayer in Jampui Hills felt surprisingly beautiful. And yes, just like I said earlier, most of the population in Jampui Hills is Christian. And that cultural harmony is one of the most special parts of this place. Next, we went to Satsang Bihar Ashram, also known locally as Anukul Thakur Ashram or Thakurbari. If you ever come here during the daytime, trust me, this place gives you one of the best panoramic views of the mountains and clouds in all of Jampui Hills. Sadly, we reached late and it was already dark, but even then, the calm energy of this place was something else. And after that, we finally moved towards our stay Eden Tourist Lodge. If you are planning an overnight stay in Jampui Hills, you mainly have three options. The first, Eden Tourist Lodge. This is the most popular and scenic place to stay here, but it needs pre-booking. Second, stay at Kanchanpur town, where you can find several hotels, either book online or directly at the reception. Third, homestays inside Jampui Hills. Most people don't go for this, but honestly, they can be amazing. For example, Sky Chalet, located very close to Eden Lodge, is one of the best. Eden Tourist Lodge is one of the only proper government approved tourist lodge inside Jampui Hills. ये लॉज नॉर्थ त्रिपुरा के जम्पुई हिल्स में लोकेटेड है एंड इट्स लिटरली बिल्ट ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन्स. यहाँ स्टे करते टाइम यू आर एक्चुअली लिविंग इनसाइड क्लाउड्स. कभी क्लाउड्स नीचे होती है, कभी क्लाउड्स ऊपर आके पूरी हिल्स को कवर कर लेती है. द व्यूज, द एयर, द साइलेंस एंड एवरीथिंग हियर फील्स अनरियल. Eden Tourist Lodge is not just about rooms, it's about location, from where you can easily visit Betlingsib, the highest peak of Tripura, Vanghmun, the cleanest village of Tripura, the eco park, viewpoints, sunset points and paragliding zone, and sunrise and sunset here. Honestly, You don't even need to go anywhere else. Just step outside your room. Now listen carefully. You cannot go there and book a room directly. Tourist Lodge works only on pre-booking system. No walk-in bookings allowed. So if you reach Jampui Hills without booking, you will not get a room here. Open your browser and search Tripura Tourism Tourist Lodge. The first or second result will be from the official Tripura Tourism website. I have also put the link in the description. Click that and you will land on the Tourist Lodge page. Scroll down and you will find the booking section. Enter the details such as check-in date, check-out date and the number of guests. For example, I selected 5th February to 6th February, 5 adults. Then click Check Eligibility. Room types and prices. You will see these three options. First, the double bedded AC room, rupees 1680 per night. Then 3 bedded AC room, rupees 1909 per night, and premium double bedded AC room, rupees 3675 per night. Choose the one that fits your group and budget. Then click Book Now. Now it will ask you to log in. If you don't have an account, just click Sign Up and enter name, phone number, email and password. Once done, log in. Now fill in the booking form. Name, phone, email, address, state, city, pin code, country, and choose an ID proof. Aadhaar, driving license, voter ID or passport. If you have any special request, you can also write it here. Select online payment. That's the only option. You can pay using UPI, debit card, credit card or even net banking. After payment, make sure you take screenshots of transaction ID, payment successful page and confirmation screen. You will receive a confirmation email. That email is your room booking proof. When you reach Tourist Lodge, just show that email at the reception. That's it. So if you are planning Jampui Hills, Tourist Lodge should be your first booking. Because staying here means sunrise above clouds, sunset over endless hills. So this was our Jampui Hills journey, not rushed, not perfect, but deeply beautiful. From cloud-covered roads to silent mountain views, from small villages to the highest crest of Tripura. Even part of this place slowly stayed with us. यहाँ आप सिर्फ travel नहीं करते, you actually feel the mountain, the air and the calm. We could not cover every single spot this time. Some places are left, some views are still waiting, but that's the best part of traveling. It gives you a reason to come back. And yes, next year we will definitely be coming back to Jampui Hills to explore those untouched corners, those roads we missed and those views we have not seen yet. Till then, this place will stay in our memories with clouds, quiet hills and endless green. This is 9X Vlogs signing off from Jampui Hills. See you in the next journey. Thank you.